Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
So apparently, Shenseea is dating. Apparently, Shenseea and this hombre when he London on the track is together. Rumors sparked after they were spotted at the Super Bowl over the weekend. Now we don't know how the detective them go to work. The social media detective, when them a go to work, them a go to work. So we start to see videos, photograph from all different angles. Each angle we see them in London and Shenseea. Till even the shade room post it. Yes, people. But when the shade room post it, Shenseea went under the comment and said this. Now, people, tell me in the comment section how you take it. It's just that they are just hanging out, or they are really together. I don't know. I'm just giving you guys the news. Kind of look away still. You see me? Kind of look like they are into something. But to how we know how Shenseea go to work and how the whole Romeich entertainment camp go to work, sometimes what we say is not that. Even though Shenseea got this for her, Valentine's Day, we still not see who behind the photograph or take the photos then. Says that she's keeping her relationship a secret, or it's just a business arrangement. You know that's something they go. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section below. The next thing we are going to talk about is Romeich. Now, on one hand, people remember the long time rumor from Wappy Kill Philip say Romeich and Shenseea used to deal. So now Romeich, or I should say Shenseea, rumors are sparks of Shenseea and London on the track are together. And now Romeich and his new girlfriend, what we sure about them they together. People watch these videos. So, what you think? Romeich even went ahead and buy her a car. Romeich got some booms and buy a car for him female. I deal with her nice. And allegedly, London on the beat. I deal with Shenseea good. People, you think say social media just too nosy, or you feel like say Chaddy More TV I instigate things. Tell me what you think about this in the comment section below. Alright? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to link me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video or react to the video if you are watching on Facebook. And if you are watching on Instagram already, just follow me on the other platform. Yeah, me there over Facebook, me there over YouTube. You know the thing go. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and gone.